Psalm 106. In obedience to the great commandments of long ago, we continue striving today, recognizing and integrating those past covenants in our daily lives. Therefore, please hear us, O Great One, who has dominion over all and who steadily watched over us, who occupy this sphere of wonder of wonders. We continually call upon you to lend your grace on our behalf, to live, love, succeed, and multiply. We have also committed to honor you and one another in the service of perpetuating attitudes and behaviors of respect, honesty, fair treatment to all. Above all, we committed to those tenets you provided us to lead and guide us towards greater wisdom, gratitude, and forthrightness of faith. Although there are and have been times when we did not adhere to and follow the path of your shining light, upon recognition and realization, we do humble ourselves, sometimes in guilt and shame, but never in a lack of respect for your continued love and tolerance for our shortcomings. O source and center of our inner peace and balance, we call upon all those inner resources you've imbued us with to sustain us in withstanding the sometimes attractive as well as contorted temptations of life that we tend to let overwhelm us. As we look upon the horizon of tomorrow, may we find increasing strength in the beauty and endless bounties that continually flow from our trough of sustainment. By your grace, may we be elevated in wisdom to a level that will continually mine the love, patience, and spiritual energy you've provided, so our children will be able to inherit, enjoy, and prudently perpetuate the riches and sustenance of our Mother Earth, from whence we arose through you, and to which we are destined to return.